Welcome to KK Autos. Today, we present the ultimate symbol of elegance and prestige, the Vintage Rolls-Royce in a stunning glossy white finish. Let's start with the exterior. This masterpiece of craftsmanship features a gracefully sculpted body with a long sweeping hood and an upright chrome grille, instantly recognizable as a Rolls-Royce icon. The Spirit of Ecstasy emblem stands proudly above the grille, representing the brand's timeless luxury. The round headlights, framed in polished chrome, add a classic touch, while the elegantly curved fenders enhance the car's regal stance. The rear of the car is just as captivating, with beautifully integrated round taillights and a refined chrome bumper, exuding sophistication. Set in a high-end showroom with reflective flooring and ambient lighting, the white paint gleams under the lights, highlighting its dignified presence. Now, stepping inside this timeless beauty, the interior is pure luxury. The handcrafted leather seats, adorned with intricate stitching, provide unmatched comfort. The polished wood veneer on the dashboard and door panels exudes classic elegance, while the chrome-accented dials and switches reflect the attention to detail Rolls-Royce is known for. The spacious cabin, designed for ultimate refinement, features thick carpeting, plush rear seats, and a vintage-style steering wheel wrapped in premium leather. The rear passenger area is truly first-class, offering a serene and luxurious experience. Every inch of this interior is a testament to timeless luxury and unparalleled craftsmanship, making this vintage Rolls-Royce a true masterpiece on wheels. The vintage Rolls-Royce is more than just a car. It's a statement of luxury, prestige, and timeless craftsmanship. Owning this masterpiece comes with a host of benefits that set it apart from any other vehicle on the road. First and foremost, it offers an unmatched level of exclusivity. A vintage Rolls-Royce is not just a mode of transport, it's a collector's dream, a piece of automotive history that continues to appreciate in value. The handcrafted details, from the fine leather seats to the polished wood trim, ensure that every ride feels like a first-class experience. Unlike modern luxury cars, a vintage Rolls-Royce carries an aura of tradition and heritage, making it a symbol of status and sophistication. Another major benefit is the supreme comfort and ride quality. Rolls-Royce has always been known for its magic carpet ride, and this vintage model is no exception. The plush seating, spacious cabin, and smooth suspension make it an ideal car for long journeys or special occasions. Whether you're driving it yourself or being chauffeured, every ride is an experience of pure luxury. In terms of investment, a vintage Rolls-Royce holds incredible value. Unlike regular cars that depreciate over time, well-maintained classic Rolls-Royce models often appreciate, making them a smart purchase for collectors. The rarity of these vehicles further adds to their appeal, ensuring that they remain a prized possession for years to come. Now, let's talk about the price. The cost of a vintage Rolls-Royce varies depending on the model, condition, and restoration history. Generally, prices can range anywhere from $100,000 to over $500,000. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, KK Autos, and share with friends.